Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and this is day 2 of CES, and we're at the Brydge booth taking a look at their keyboard solutions for the iPad Pro. They have solutions for the iPad Pro 10 and 12.9. So we're here with Bergen? Bergen's going to help us learn more about the product and why you should be considering this as your next iPad accessory.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Yeah,
It's all yours.
Absolutely, thanks. So we're super excited about our newest keyboard here. So this is the 12.9 inch. Everything about it is really focused on making sure that the iPad users get a full laptop-like experience. Keyboard comes with U-shaped hinges, so it's very easy to disconnect, reconnect, close, open, full 180 degrees of viewability. So the biggest focus for us is making sure that customers get the experience that they're looking for on an iPad. So matching the anodized aluminum with the iPad itself. This one here comes in space gray silver, and that's it so far actually. No rose gold on this round.
Now power from this, it's not connected to the Apple power source, right?
It's not. So everything's Bluetooth, just to make sure that, you know, if people want to quickly disconnect and use it as a tablet, that's fine.
And what's the battery life? Given once you have it charged, how long does it run for?
What do you guys do?
The battery life right now, up to 12 months.
That's great.
So it depends on your use every single day. If you use it about 2 hours a day, it will last about 12 months. It also depends on the backlight. So we have backlight keys
All right.
on all the keyboards.
What do you do with all your returns?
That's fantastic.
Sometimes that can drain the battery if you're using it all day with backlit keys. But realistically, you won't have to recharge this for a few months, no matter what.
Now, you said that it was a convertible, so you had other features coming with this, right?
We do. So it's like I showed before. You can attach, retach. On the back, we've got a case that's coming with it.
And that's new. So you haven't had these before in your previous designs, right?
Brand new product. Yep. We want to make sure that everybody's protected. Some feedback that we've gotten on our last models are that, you know, there wasn't enough protection on the iPad itself.
That's a good one.
This has been our solution for that. So it simply snaps in place with magnets. You can use it if you like. If you don't like it, then you don't need to use it. The best part about this, though, is that with this new shape of the iPad, we can actually turn it around and have different modes. So this, if you're traveling and you need, you know, watching a movie on the airplane or something, you've got a good way to hold your iPad. It goes all the way back if you want to just use it as the iPad itself. Yeah, so super excited about this product. It's had an incredible buzz online. We went online with pre-orders yesterday. CES has been phenomenal. We've gotten a lot of great feedback, so really excited.
Yeah, so are we. There aren't a lot of accessories. Everybody is looking for a better keyboard solution today for the iPad, and it's great to see one at the show.
Yeah,
thanks again for your time.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we'll continue looking around at the show and see what else we have to offer.